Welcome to our channel, where today we explore the fascinating world of rare cars and what determines their value. Imagine owning a piece of automotive history, a machine that is not just a mode of transport, but a statement of engineering excellence and artistic beauty. In this video, we will take you through the key factors that set the price for these exquisite vehicles. The allure of rare cars goes beyond their sleek designs and powerful engines. Each car carries with it a unique story, from the moment it was conceived on the drawing board, through its production, and into the hands of its first owner. We'll delve into the significance of production dates and places, understanding how the origin of a car adds to its mystique and desirability. Then we'll take a closer look at the meticulous restoration processes that breathe new life into these vintage machines. Restoration is not just about fixing what's broken, it's about preserving history, authenticity, and the soul of the car. We'll explore the artistry and craftsmanship that go into restoring rare cars to their former glory. Finally, we'll discuss the market value and auction dynamics that drive the high prices of these automotive gems. The first factor we look at is the production date and place. The rarity of a car often hinges on its production history. For instance, the Lykan Hypersport, produced in 2013, is not only rare due to its limited production run, but also because it was the first supercar built in the Middle East. With only 7 units ever produced, this car's exclusivity is guaranteed. The Lykan Hypersport gained fame not only for its rarity, but also for its futuristic design and advanced technology, including diamond-encrusted headlights and a holographic display system. The car's origin in the UAE, a region not traditionally known for automotive manufacturing, adds to its unique appeal. The Ferrari 250 Testa Rossa, produced between 1957 and 1961, is revered not only for its limited numbers, but also for its success in racing. With just 34 units made, this car's pedigree and scarcity make it highly valuable. The Testa Rossa's iconic redhead covers on its V12 engine, which inspired its name, and its remarkable racing achievements, including numerous victories at Le Mans, enhance its legendary status. The Pagani Zonda Revolution, a 2013 marvel, showcases Italian craftsmanship at its finest. Only 5 were made, making it a collector's dream. Pagani's meticulous attention to detail, the use of advanced materials like carbon titanium, and the car's breathtaking performance capabilities contribute to its high value. The Zonda Revolution is not just a car, it's a work of art and a testament to Horatio Pagani's vision and passion for automotive excellence. The Aston Martin DBR1, produced in 1956, is legendary in British motorsport history, with just 5 examples built. The DBR1's significance is amplified by its triumphs in endurance racing, particularly its victory at the 1959 24 Hours of Le Mans. This car embodies the spirit of British racing heritage and Aston Martin's engineering prowess. The McLaren F1 LM from 1995 is a pinnacle of British engineering, with only 5 LM versions made to commemorate the 5 McLaren F1 GTRs that finished the 1995 24 Hours of Le Mans. The F1 LM's groundbreaking design, including its central driving position and gold-lined engine bay for heat dissipation, makes it one of the most sought-after supercars in the world. The Porsche 916 from 1972, although a prototype with just 11 units built, holds a special place in automotive history. The 916's unique design and performance, combined with its rarity, make it a prized possession for collectors. Each car's origin story contributes significantly to its value, weaving a narrative that captivates enthusiasts and collectors alike. Next, we turn our attention to the restoration process. The condition of a rare car can dramatically affect its value. Restorations must be done with the utmost precision, often returning the car to its original glory while preserving its authenticity. Restoration experts work tirelessly to source original parts, use traditional methods, and ensure every detail matches the original specifications. Restoring a classic Ferrari 250 Testa Rossa involves painstaking attention to detail, from sourcing original Ferrari parts to replicating the exact shade of red used in its heyday. The process can take years and requires a deep understanding of the car's history and engineering. Every component, from the iconic V12 engine to the delicate bodywork, must be meticulously restored to match the original factory specifications. Similarly, restoring a McLaren F1 LM is no small feat. The car's complex aerodynamics and advanced materials mean that only a handful of specialists in the world are qualified to work on it. The restoration process involves meticulous work on its carbon fiber body, advanced aerodynamics, and high-performance engine. This includes not only mechanical restoration, but also preserving the unique features that make the F1 LM stand out, such as its central driving position and the gold-lined engine bay. The restoration process isn't just about making the car look good, it's about bringing it back to life. This involves extensive work on the engine, transmission, suspension, and interior. Every part is either refurbished to its original condition or replaced with an exact replica. The goal is to preserve the car's originality and ensure it performs as it did when it first rolled off the production line. The craftsmanship involved in restoring these cars is nothing short of art, requiring a blend of historical knowledge, technical expertise, and a passion for perfection. The restoration of the Aston Martin DBR1, for example, involves not only mechanical work, but also historical research to ensure the car is as authentic as possible. This includes sourcing period-correct parts, using traditional manufacturing techniques, and even consulting historical documents and photographs to get every detail right. Similarly, restoration experts often work with original blueprints and consult with the car manufacturers to ensure accuracy. The process can be lengthy and expensive, but the result is a car that not only looks and performs as it did when it was new, but also retains its historical authenticity and value. The dedication and expertise of these craftsmen are crucial in maintaining the legacy and allure of these rare vehicles. Finally, we come to the market value and auctions. The value of a rare car is ultimately determined by what a collector is willing to pay. Auctions provide a fascinating insight into this dynamic, where rare cars can fetch astronomical prices. The excitement in the room is palpable as bidders compete for these automotive treasures. The provenance of a car plays a crucial role in its market value. Cars with a rich history, notable ownership, or racing pedigree often command higher prices. For instance, the Aston Martin DBR1, which was driven by racing legends and has a storied history of victories, is highly coveted by collectors. The DBR1's significance in motorsport, particularly its success at Le Mans, adds immense value. Each car carries a unique story, and those with illustrious pasts are often the most sought after. Similarly, the Ferrari 250 Testa Rossa, with its numerous racing victories, is a prime example of how historical significance can boost a car's value. The Testa Rossa's racing pedigree, combined with its stunning design and engineering excellence, makes it a favorite at auctions. The thrill of owning a piece of racing history drives bidders to pay top dollar for such cars. Auction houses like Sotheby's and Bonhams play a crucial role in setting these market values. They curate these cars, verify their provenance, and present them to a global audience of collectors. The preparation for an auction involves meticulous research and documentation, ensuring that each car's history and condition are accurately represented. The auction process itself is an art form. It involves careful preparation, detailed catalogs, and often a bit of theatrics. Bidders from around the world participate, either in person or online, driving up the prices with each bid. The final sale price can often exceed initial estimates, reflecting the high demand and passion collectors have for these rare machines. The auctioneer's skill in creating a competitive atmosphere can significantly impact the final price, turning the auction into a thrilling event. The market for rare cars is also influenced by broader economic trends, collector preferences, and emerging markets. For example, the growing interest in classic cars in regions like Asia and the Middle East has contributed to rising prices. Collectors from these regions are eager to add prestigious models to their collections, further driving up demand. In addition to traditional auctions, online platforms have become increasingly popular, allowing a wider audience to participate in the bidding process. This has democratized the market to some extent, making it more accessible to new collectors. However, the most iconic and valuable cars still often find their way to the most prestigious auction houses. Ultimately, the value of a rare car is a combination of its historical significance, condition, rarity, and the passion of the collectors. The auction market is a fascinating reflection of these dynamics, where the value of these automotive masterpieces is determined by those who appreciate their beauty and heritage. In summary, the value of a rare car is influenced by its production history, meticulous restoration, and market dynamics. Whether it's the engineering marvel of a Pagani Zonda Revolution or the historical significance of an Aston Martin DBR1, each car tells a unique story that captivates collectors and enthusiasts alike. The allure of these cars goes beyond their physical form. It is about owning a piece of history, a testament to human ingenuity and passion. The journey from production to restoration and finally to the auction block is a testament to the enduring appeal of these automotive masterpieces. Each step in this journey adds to the car's value, creating a narrative that is as compelling as the car itself. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of what makes these cars so valuable. Whether you are a collector, an enthusiast, or simply curious, the world of rare cars is a fascinating journey of discovery. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of rare cars. As you delve deeper into this world, remember that each car is not just a vehicle, but a piece of art, a slice of history, and a symbol of human achievement. The passion and dedication that go into maintaining and collecting these cars are what keep this hobby alive and thriving. Stay tuned to our channel for more content on rare cars, their histories, and the stories of the people who cherish them. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world of automotive excellence.